In a world where interiors mirror personality, exotic indoor plants offer more than decoration. They bring texture, color, and life into enclosed spaces. From bold foliage to delicate patterns, these botanical wonders transform homes into vibrant sanctuaries, blending nature with design while enhancing ambience through their striking presence and subtle, refreshing energy. Let's quickly explore these plants. Moon Valley Pilea, also known botanically as Pilea mollis, is a striking ornamental houseplant admired for its deeply textured, quilted leaves. The foliage features a vibrant contrast of bright green with dark bronze or burgundy veins, giving it a dramatic, almost cratered appearance, hence the name Moon Valley. This compact plant thrives in warm, humid indoor conditions and prefers indirect light, making it ideal for tabletops and small spaces. It requires consistently moist soil but should not be overwatered. With its unique leaf structure and vivid coloration, Moon Valley Pilea adds a bold, exotic touch to indoor plant collections. Lightning Jewel Orchid, scientifically known as Macod's petola, is a rare and captivating terrestrial orchid prized for its luminous foliage rather than its flowers. The velvety, deep green leaves are intricately patterned with shimmering gold or lightning-like veins that appear to glow under light, giving it an almost magical appeal. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in warm, humid environments with low to moderate indirect light. This delicate plant prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from high humidity levels. Its compact growth and extraordinary leaf patterns make it a treasured choice among collectors of exotic indoor plants. Wine Cup Plant, Crassula umbella, is a unique and eye-catching succulent known for its unusual cup-shaped leaf that resembles a small goblet. This single, fleshy leaf is often soft green with a powdery coating, giving it a sculptural and minimalistic appeal. Native to South Africa, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil with infrequent watering, making it highly suitable for indoor environments. During its growth cycle, it sends up a tall flowering stalk with small, delicate blooms. Its rare form and architectural look make it a standout addition to any exotic indoor plant collection. Begonia raxcultorum escargot is a visually captivating houseplant celebrated for its distinctive spiral-shaped foliage that mimics a snail shell. Its leaves showcase a rich blend of silvery gray, deep green, and purplish tones, enhanced by intricate patterns and a soft, velvety texture. This compact plant thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys warm, humid indoor conditions. It prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil but should not be overwatered. Sensitive to harsh sunlight, it performs best in filtered light settings. With its bold leaf design and artistic appeal, it brings elegance and an exotic charm to any indoor plant display. Butterfly Wing Plant, Christia obcordata, is an unusual and delicate plant admired for its distinctive foliage that closely resembles the shape of butterfly wings. The soft green leaves are marked with deep maroon or purple patterns, creating a striking visual contrast that enhances its ornamental appeal. This small, graceful plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers warm, humid conditions for optimal growth. It requires well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer to dry slightly between waterings. Native to Southeast Asia, it brings a light, airy elegance to indoor spaces and is especially valued by collectors for its rare and fascinating leaf form. October Daphne or Sedum sieboldi is a charming trailing succulent valued for its neat, rounded foliage arranged in whorled clusters along arching stems. The soft blue-green leaves often develop pink edges, especially when exposed to bright light, creating a delicate color contrast. In autumn, it produces clusters of small, star-shaped pink flowers that enhance its seasonal appeal. This plant thrives in bright, indirect to direct light and prefers well-draining soil with minimal watering, making it easy to maintain indoors. Native to Japan, it is well-suited for hanging baskets or containers, adding a graceful and compact touch to indoor plant displays. Monkey's tail cactus, Hilduinthera coleodemononis, is an exotic trailing cactus admired for its long, cascading stems covered in soft, white, hair-like spines that resemble a monkey's tail. The cylindrical stems can grow several feet in length, making it ideal for hanging baskets where its form can fully develop. Native to Bolivia, it thrives in bright light and prefers a warm, dry indoor environment. This cactus requires well-draining soil and infrequent watering, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. During its blooming season, it may produce vibrant red flowers, adding a striking contrast to its fuzzy, flowing appearance. Brazilian fireworks, Porphyrocoma pohliana, is a vibrant tropical plant admired for its striking floral display and lush foliage. It produces upright spikes of deep purple bracts from which bright blue, tubular flowers emerge, creating a vivid, firework-like effect. The glossy green leaves provide a rich backdrop that enhances its colorful blooms. Native to Brazil, it thrives in warm, humid conditions with bright, indirect light. This plant prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from regular watering without becoming waterlogged. With its bold colors and exotic appearance, it adds a lively and decorative touch to indoor plant collections. Corkscrew albuca, Albuca spiralis, is a unique bulbous plant admired for its spiraling leaves that curl into tight corkscrew shapes. The slender, bright green foliage creates a playful and sculptural appearance, adding visual interest to indoor spaces. This exotic plant is native to South Africa and thrives in bright, indirect to direct sunlight with a cool, well-ventilated environment during its active growth period. It requires well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. In spring, it produces fragrant yellow flowers with a subtle vanilla scent, enhancing its ornamental appeal. Palm leaf oxalis, Oxalis palmifrons, is a compact and fascinating plant admired for its symmetrical, palm-like rosettes that resemble miniature fan palms. The finely divided, soft green leaflets radiate outward in a precise circular pattern, creating a striking geometric appearance. This exotic plant is native to South Africa and thrives in bright, indirect light with cool, dry conditions during its active growth phase. It prefers well-draining soil and minimal watering, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. During its blooming period, it may produce small, delicate flowers. Its unusual structure and tidy form make it a standout choice for collectors of rare indoor plants.